Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Lid on, it's Matt again, showing you little Mekong Ladyboy. So, Mekong Ladyboy, a little lemon juice. Key ingredient is Mekong. Apple juice. Something which I'm sure none of you will like. Egg whites. Three bar spoons of ginger preserve. Nice. Double strained. Finished off with a slice of apple. Straw.